Hey guys, so today we're going to continue building my custom camper wood frame for my Ford Maverick, and if you can see, it's not on the truck anymore because I already measured and cut everything to size. So if I did a good job with the frame, I don't need it back on the truck again. So I get to do all my work outside of the Maverick, which is going to be a lot easier to get to things and move around. So for today, we're going to put up the side walls and make the tub basically of the camper shell. So let's give it a shot. First up, I'm going to put this side wall, and you could see I do have to stay within my boundaries that I measured in the Maverick. So I have to cut this piece so that it'll shape around the wheel well, so when I slide it in, it won't get stuck right there. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so for this wheel well, I'm going to use this piece right here that was cut out. I tried to make a real clean cut out of that so that I could use it again for this spot right here. So let's screw that in. Alright, so I got that inside in, and now I'm going to have to fill up the holes. Let's take a look at the inside. That's what it looks like. Now I got to do a top and a side. I got one side done, and now I need to do the same to this other side. Let's take a look back. Alright, got the side wall up. Now I need the box around the wheel well, just like the other side. Okay, so both sides are up now. Now I just need a little cover there, and then we'll refit it back onto the truck. Okay, so for the sides, I got this thin sheet of plywood. I don't want to add any more weight than I need to. It's already getting heavy. So I'm going to put it on the edge and close up that hole. So one side is in. That's the way it looks. Now I got to do that side. Let's take a look. Looks pretty good. Now let's fit it up onto the truck to make sure everything fits well before I lacquer the bottom or varnish the bottom. Alright, so this is how I plan to load and unload this sucker. Just gonna put a dolly underneath it. A little wiggling, it goes in. All right, let's take a look. I think it looks pretty good. The fit is good. And now that the tub is done, anything I build, as long as it's inside the tub, I know it's going to be good. So now my challenge is to keep the weight down, and of course I need to varnish the bottom so it's more water resistant. Okay, so to remove it, I'm going to bring it to the edge. I'm going to basically lift this up, close the gate, and bring down the dolly. Alright, so I got some of this polyacrylic laying around. I don't know if it's the best thing for this or what, but I could use this or epoxy, but I'm going to use this just because I have it. Alright, so nothing left to do but to wait for it to dry. So you know what that is. It's Miller time. You know I don't drink Miller, but you get the point.